This final lecture is all about the missteps that can weaken your smart safety setup and how to fix them easily. Even the best devices can fail to protect your home if they're not installed or managed correctly. The good news? Most mistakes are preventable once you know what to look for. Let's make sure your system doesn't just look smart, it actually works when it matters most. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to spot the most common errors people make with smart home safety, understand how these issues can create blind spots in your system, take simple action to fix or prevent them. 6. Smart safety mistakes to avoid. 1. Using default passwords and settings. Leaving devices on factory defaults makes it easy for someone to guess your credentials or find them online. How to fix it? Change all device passwords, rename your Wi-Fi, and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, wherever possible. 2. Overloading a weak Wi-Fi network. Smart homes need strong Wi-Fi. If too many devices run on a basic router, performance drops, alerts lag, and automations fail. How to fix it? Use a mesh router or dual-band network. Place smart devices on their own Wi-Fi band when possible. 3. Skipping firmware updates. Outdated devices can have bugs, vulnerabilities, or compatibility issues. How to fix it? Check for updates monthly in your app and replace unsupported devices that no longer get security patches. 4. Not testing your system. Many people assume no news is good news, but that can hide silent failures like dead batteries, blocked sensors, or broken alerts. How to fix it? Test your sensors and automations once a month, especially leak detectors, door sensors, smoke alarms, and emergency lights. 5. Using too many separate apps. Multiple apps for every brand can lead to confusion and missed alerts. How to fix it? Choose a smart home platform, Google Home, Alexa, Apple Home, and consolidate where possible. Fewer apps, fewer gaps. 6. Set it and forget it. Thinking. Smart safety is not one and done. Life changes, Wi-Fi setups change, people move. How to fix it? Review your system every 6 months. Update your emergency contacts. Double-check device placements and test automations. Self-check. Are you making these mistakes? Ask yourself, do I know all my device passwords or are they still default? When was the last time I tested an alert or sensor? Are my apps and devices updated? Does my Wi-Fi ever lag or drop devices? Can I manage my whole system from one place? Fixing just one of these today makes your smart system smarter and safer. Example: a homeowner in Florida had a leak sensor under their sink. The device worked perfectly, but their phone notifications were off. One day, the sensor triggered, but nobody noticed. The result? $6,000 in water damage. The cause? A silent alert that never got seen. Lesson: a smart device that can't reach you is just a gadget. Test it, tweak it, trust it. You've completed the course. You've taken real steps toward making your home not just smart, but safe, responsive, and ready. Let this be your starting point, not the finish line.